Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the in and the not in operators in MySQL. So this is an attachment to the where clause that we went over before. So if I do, well, first I'll show you what I'm trying to select. So let's just do select all from persons. Okay, so this is the table that we are using. So what I can do is, you can do the exact same thing, select all from persons, where, and then we need to specify the column. So I'm just going to do last name. So let's do last name, and then we need to do in, and now in brackets, this is what we want to specify. So we are selecting this column, and we are going to try to get the values that are in whatever value we pass in. So if we want to get the values that have Peter, so what we can do in single quotes, we can do Peter. This will get all the values that last name has Peter. Now we can have multiple of these values, so we can do we just separate it with a comma. We can do something like Craig. Okay, and then this will get all of the values from last name that are in Peter or Craig. Okay, now we can also do not in. So you can see we have Peter, then we have Craig, and then we have Jackson. Okay, so if we specify not in, then that's going to just get the values that do not have Peter or Craig in last name. Okay, Peter or Craig not in last name, so we will get all the other values that are not equal to Peter or Craig. So that's about it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.